So, what exactly is the ESP32? Let's dive in and see why it's such a big deal. You've probably played around with an Arduino, right? It's a fantastic place to start. But what if you need more horsepower, more processing power, and most importantly, wireless connectivity? That's where the ESP32 comes in. Think of it as a supercharged upgrade for your projects. Now let's talk speed, because this is where things get really interesting. The ESP32 has a dual core processor running at 240 MHz. To put that into perspective, that's about 15 times faster than a classic Arduino Uno. But raw speed isn't the whole story. The real game changer is what comes built in. Right out of the box, the ESP32 gives you Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. No extra boards, no shields, nothing additional required. It also supports something called ESP Now, which lets ESP32 boards communicate directly with each other without needing a router at all. Now with all this power, you might be thinking, this must be hard to program. Actually, it's not. You can use the same Arduino IDE you've already know and love. On top of that, the ESP32 is packed with hardware features, plenty of input and output pins, and even true analog outputs. But listen carefully. There's one critical rule you absolutely cannot forget when working with the ESP32. Remember this number, 3.3 volts. The ESP32's input pins are not 5 volt tolerant. And this is important. If you feed 5 volts into its pins, you will permanently damage the board. So always design your circuits with 3.3 volts in mind. Now let's see how all this comes together in a simple, practical example. Imagine pressing a button on one ESP32 and instantly a motor starts spinning on another ESP32. Completely wireless. That's the power of the ESP32. Fast, connected, and incredibly powerful. So, what will you build?